Every business organization, manufacturing unit needs expert opinion for consultation. The consultation required may be in various sectors of management, services, training, planning with regarding the manufacturing activity, cost of production, administrative expenditure. These are the areas where experts or consultants can provide valuable service to the business enterprises to improve the productivity and profitability of the organization. You can say whether the existing employees working in the organization can contribute to the as consultants, but their consultants maybe depends upon limited activity of their day-to-day activity in the organization. But when you accept the consultation or consult from expert with expertness, experience will add value with the experience of many sectors of the same industry or commercial organization as a whole, or trends or national trends, or any possibility to reduce the cost and improve to reach the market on time for a better price, better quality, and consumer satisfaction is important. Consultation can be expected from experts in these fields of management, training, services, and planning. And in many sectors, our experts can provide their advice. Of course, they may not be working every day with the commercial organization, but they will give their valuable advice, opinion, suggestions, so that the productivity is improved, profitability is improved, and sales turnover is also improved. Costs are reduced, damages, wastages, losses also reduced. Time consumption is also reduced. These are the areas the commercial organization has to accept the expert opinion of the consultants. Every business entity, commercial organization needs expert opinion that will estimate financial needs, time of requirement, and utilization funds made available, and how the expert services are expected in finance sector. That is, number one is need and requirements. The consultant or expert has to estimate in advance the needs of the resources required and time of resources required and utilization of resources required, and the period of utilization is also to be expected by the financial consultant. Maybe that may be in the form of project report that will estimate the funds required and how it is to be used and how it is to be mobilized, maybe in the form of capital by the entrepreneurs or borrowings or temporary advances or any other mobilization method which is acceptable, which is convenient to the entrepreneurs. Next, for expansions. Every organization intends to expand its commercial activity depending upon the marketing opportunity and profitability of the activity. So for every expansion needs additional capital, additional resources, additional assets, additional funds, everything is required. So that also needs additional finance capital. How much is to be contributed internally from the resources of the existing manufacturing activity or commercial activity, and additional contribution by the entrepreneurs, borrowing by the from the banks and financial institutions, or temporary bonds, debentures, any other form of borrowing, and that also will be advised by the financial consultant. Next, rehabilitation and restructuring of loans means sometimes business entity may not be in a position to repay the loans as per the schedule agreed with the financial institution due to the reason beyond its control. Maybe the delay in implementation of the project, higher gestation period, or non-availability of material resources, or non-availability of some disturbances, maybe power shortage or something like that, that may lead to delay of repayment loans by the commercial entity. That needs to a situation of rehabilitation or restructuring of loans obtained from the banks and financial institutions. That also needs for services of financial consultants. Next, settlement of loan accounts with banks. Sometimes the commercial organization may be in a better position to repay the loans and it wants to get rid of the loans, may want to pre-close the loan before the schedule. That will reduce the finance cost and increase the profitability to the entrepreneurs. That is a very good position, very good situation for every entrepreneur. They want to reduce the financial commitments, financial cost, and improve the more profits they distribute more profits to enterprise investors, and that is a very good position that may be advised by the financial consultant depending upon the financial position or cash richness or financial availability with the business entity. Next, reorganization of resources. Sometimes commercial organization may be in a position to obtain the loans from banks and financial institutions, or maybe from public as a debentures or bonds. Company may be intended, or management may be intended to convert those bonds or debentures into capital or preferential capital that can be converted into equity capital. That is reorganization of resources, which will help in the longer period, and it will show the efficiency of the entrepreneurs and the efficiency of the perfectness, accountability, efficiency of the management, that every management expects to achieve that position, and that will need the services of expert consultants. And with regarding the other consultancy expectations from experts are with regarding international transactions, international trade, maybe export and import. The manufacturing unit may require to import some material from the sources outside the country, which leads to imports, and that to be acceptable to the national policy, and the customs and everything has to be as per the law of the land. And sometimes the commercial organization may be in a position to export its goods and services, and which is better position, means they will get good price compared to local domestic markets, and they expect market reaching the consumers outside the country. That will require some compliances with regarding the Foreign Exchange Management Act or Reserve Bank compliances or national policy or other compliances as required by the financial institutions or Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Trade, etc. All these compliances requires services of experts who are deal with international trade and finance activities. Next, foreign exchange. Sometimes this foreign exchange is important, since sometimes the change in values leads to change in profits, change in cost of production, change in resources. That will reduce the profit, or that it will increase the profit for exporters, reduce the profit for imports, and sometimes it may be reverse also. The cost may be reduced and export may become cheaper or less profitable. Commercial entity or manufacturing unit management may be intended to go for hedging contract, so that foreign exchange values will not affect the cost of imports or market price received on exports. Hedging, and that will ensure expected profits for the commercial organization. Next, IPR, patent rights. Intellectual property rights or patent rights are more valuable now, because the innovation, creativity, and the individuals or institutions dedicated to go for new innovations, and maybe we can say that startup companies also will be, now they are having more and more innovation, creativity. Some companies are more successful, earning more and more incomes to their organization, and that requires the protection of intellectual property, means property value that adds value to the intellectual property. The patent rights also, copyrights will add profitability of the commercial organization. It undertakes innovation, creativity, or sharing of the knowledge, technical expertness with manufacturing unit. They accepting the consideration as royalty from the manufacturing unit. Next, legal services. The most important legal is in India or in this many countries, there is a most legal services are more valuable, because prevention is better than cure. Knowing the legal consequences, legal procedure in advance will reduce the cost of compliance, will reduce the late fees, late interest, penal proceedings. So legal services are most important for successful undertaking of a commercial unit. Sometimes we can see even a small mistake or small shortage or small non-compliance leads to high cost or high damage, or we can say bad image to the commercial organization, which leads to globally also that may affect their market. So for this purpose, we require every commercial organization, every business entity, manufacturing activity needs expert services, expert consultations, consultant services to get these services, so that their activity of material, human resources, finance is improved, and cost reduced, wastage reduced, and time also consumed, less time consumed, and reach the consumer as planned, as expected, to the expectations of the consumers, to the marketing, global market levels.